Hi, welcome to CodeSpace. My name is Gaurav and today in this video we will see how to create and delete branches using Git desktop and using Git CLI, and also how to remove those branches from the UI too. Okay, so let's check out. Before proceeding further, I want to share with you a small information. I have started live workshop on various software technologies and also one-on-one mentorship on technologies which includes but not limited to AWS cloud computing, Java, Node.js, Spring Boot, Express.js and many more. Detailed description can be found on the link below. The same link is available in the video description. Batches start at the start of every month where we learn about industry standard software development. Now let's move to the content. So I was working on my repo repository. Here I will open git bash. Okay, so now we have git bash and we are on new branch. So we will quickly switch over to branch main git checkout. So if you want to move from one branch to another branch, we use git checkout. So now we are on branch main. So what I'll do is I'll quickly create a branch using CLI and then I will create a branch using git desktop. We have already checked how to create, and just for namesake I am just doing it git checkout. So while doing checkout only, if you mention like git checkout -b, then it will create that branch, my branch 1. So now we are in my branch 1, and if you click here it will automatically switch to my branch 1, but this my branch 1 is not available in our repository. So here we have only these four branches, all branches. We have only main, new branch, prod and D208528. Okay, so you will go and quickly push this branch. So in order to do that, what you need to do is like git push origin my branch 1. So as I mentioned earlier, -u if we use, then if we are on this branch, then it will remember to push any changes to my branch only, and we can remove also -u. So in that case, every time we need to mention, means any changes what we do, where it should be pushed. So now my branch 1 is available in git repository UI. So here we can see my branch 1 is available. So now we will quickly see how to delete these branches from the UI. It is actually very simple. So now we have my branch 1. We can go to all branches. Where is all branches? Yeah, 5 branches. Here we can go all branches, and here we can quickly go and delete any branch, that is my branch 1. Right, so in this case what we'll do is we will delete this branch. Okay, D208528, and these branches are actually present here also, right? So if we delete this one, oops, what happened? Okay, now you can see that some hash branch, it got deleted, right? And those branches, they will actually still be existing here, so your local will never get overridden. So now what we'll do is we will delete our branches from our local actually. So in order to do that, we can simply come here, right click it and delete it. And if we click delete this branch for remote, then it will be deleted from the remote also, but we already have deleted this branch. Delete. Okay, so now we have in sync with whatever we have in the UI, that is origin. So you will do new branch, delete, and here it is asking delete from the origin, right? Or delete from the remote. Delete. So now we don't have new branch in our git desktop, and if I go and quickly refresh this one, here also we don't have that branch. I'll quickly do one thing. I will just remove this prod branch also, but I will not check here. Delete. So if you see here, this branch does not exist locally. Deleting will impact other collaborators on this branch, means it will delete now this one also. So if I refresh it, it's still there. And if I want to delete this one also, then in that case we need to delete the origin. Delete, refresh. So you can see that from the origin also it got deleted. And if we are using, so sometimes what happen is like, why we need to check here, because sometimes we will not access to the UI actually. So in that case you can't come here and delete any branch, you will not have access. So in that case what you can do is like, you can just simply delete it from the CLI or delete it from the Git desktop and push it in the origin or the repository UI, and it will get reflected. So now what we'll do is like git status. So we are on main branch, and we will create another branch. Now we will create it from here, new branch, my branch 2, create branch. So my branch 2 is not available here. If I go and publish this branch, then it will be available here also, correct? Sorry, this one. So now we will go and delete it from the CLI, and for this we can simply use git branch -d, then we can use the branch name. Okay, before that I will just show you in which branch I am. So if you are on the same branch, then I think you can't delete it. Git branch -d, my branch 2. So it will not allow you to delete that branch, because you need to check out to some other branch and delete the my branch 2. So we will check out to main or maybe my branch 1, and then we will delete my branch 2. Git checkout my branch 1. So now we are in my branch 1, and now we will go and delete my branch 2. Okay, so deleted branch, my branch 2, and if I go and come here, we don't have my branch 2. In origin we have, because we have actually pushed it in origin, right? We have pushed it in origin, so we have in origin only now. So now we will see how to delete any branch from the UI through CLI. So in that case what you need to do is like git push. So we should check out, I think it is not required now, git push -d origin, then we can use my branch 1. So now it has been removed from the GitHub repo, but it is still available in my local. So if I go here, refresh it, so you can see that my branch has been deleted. So my branch 2 is available here but not in my local, and my branch 1 is available in my local but not in the UI. So isn't it very simple? If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. See you again in the next video. Thanks, bye bye.